If we want to promote restoration of forests, it's important to promote the dispersion of the trees that lives in the forest. My name is Bello. I am a postdoc at Crowther Lab, and I research how animals can contribute to promote restoration of forests, especially in fragmented landscapes. That means that we have landscapes with some part of forest and some part that has been degraded. So what we do is we analyze how animals move in different levels of fragmentation and how they can bring seeds from the forest to outside the forest to promote restoration. In Crowther Lab, we are really worried about how to promote restoration of forests. But we have to be aware that in nature, forests are linked to animals, especially to seed dispersion. Because, for example, in tropical forests, most of the trees that live in the forest are dispersed by animals. So animals can be good allies to promote forest restoration. That's why my research try to bring the role of animals in bringing seeds outside to the forest to evaluate the restoration potential of forests in different fragmentation landscapes. Well, I started my career in Colombia, and then I did my bachelor, then I moved to Brazil and I did my PhD, and at the beginning I worked with biogeography and species distribution modeling, and then I moved to explore plant-animal interactions and seed dispersal. Especially in my PhD, I explore how the loss of large frugivores in tropical forests can impact the succession of trees in the forest and can impact carbon stock potential of the forest. I always want to wonder why things happen in nature and what is the logic behind the forest and how things work in the forest. Since I was a kid, I was always feeling complete when I was in the forest, even if it's hot and it's hot at a lot of mosquitoes or whatever. I was always in love with nature, and this is why I study ecology. I like to do a little bit of circus, acrobatic silks. I like to be outdoors in the mountains, climbing a little, just enjoying nature. So I'm really happy now that Francia Marquez, which is a woman that comes from Afro community in Colombia in a really poor part of the Chocó. She has fight for the environment and she has been the voice of the community, and now she is running as a vice president for the Colombian elections this year. So that's really gives me a lot of hope that things can change.